Stainless steel screws are necessary to secure flange extension rings because they prevent corrosion and maintain long-term compression of the seal in wet conditions. Use 2-inch stainless steel screws spaced evenly around the extension ring, starting with opposite points to draw the ring down uniformly and avoid distorting the flange. Before you fasten anything, dry fit the extension and confirm the gasket sits flat. If the gasket is compressed unevenly, you will get leaks. Drill pilot holes outside the gasket area so the drill bit never cuts the sealing surface, and use a slow, steady speed to avoid overheating, which can alter stainless fastener temper. When screwing, stop as soon as the head is flush or just slightly above the finished floor surface so you do not create a high spot that will catch a wax ring or create a trip hazard. If the flange is on a soft substrate, place a thin corrosion-resistant backing plate or a stainless washer under the screw head to spread load and prevent the fastener from pulling through. After all screws are installed, run a final check by rocking the toilet flange gently and rechecking torque. Then caulk any gap between the ring and finished floor only if the installation instructions for the floor material call for it. 3 common mistakes cause most failures: using carbon steel or coated screws that corrode and break, drilling through the gasket area and cutting the seal, and overdriving screws so the heads sit below the floor or pull the ring out of plane. If you use non-stainless screws, they will rust in wet environments and lose clamping force, so always choose stainless for durability. If you drill into the gasket, you compromise the compression surface, so mark and drill pilot holes outside the gasket and test fit first. If you overdrive screws, stop when heads are flush or slightly proud, and use stainless washers or backing plates to distribute load when the substrate is weak. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project guidance related to hardware durability and wet conditions. Our community discussions let us and other homeowners swap real-world tips, installation photos, and contractor recommendations so everyone can make better decisions.